What's up, everybody? Duck Hill here. I just got finished filming my Call of Duty video. As you can see, it's Call of Duty is still up right there. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. What I'm going to be playing today is Archers 2 again. Archers 2 for the second time. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my Xbox. Alright. What the? Alright, everybody. No. Yes. This is the music. Man, I'm gonna turn this down. Whoa, arrows. They've updated it. Oh, that's awesome. I don't know that. Sweet. Armor? What? What? You can get armor skills. Whoa. I didn't know that. I sure did update it. Alright. Okay. Sorry. No! No! Oh, yeah. Is there going to be an apple on this guy's head? No apple? Okay. Woohoo! Apple! No! Sorry. Oh, that was weird. Dang it. Am I on drugs or something? What the heck? Oh my gosh. What? No. Oh, what? Okay. No, God. Bye, dude. There we go. What? Why do I look so fat on camera? Oh. Let me just sit up. As you know, I can't do my video of the Nerf gun, the Nerf 4 yet, due to the clip that hasn't come in, unfortunately. So yeah. So whenever my clip does come in, I will have an awesome video ready for you. You should check out my Musical.ly channel. I've already showed you once, so you can see it by yourself. If you haven't seen it, I will leave a link in the description below for it. It's called Duck Kill. I posted a cuteness video. I posted a video with Okay. I posted a video with showing you what Musical.ly is. Okay. This is gonna be 2 games in 1 video part 2. Peace. Ah, yes. War. Let's do a Fruit Ninja. Jolly lunatic. Okay. Achievement unlocked. Oh, I need to tell you what sound effects I'll be using. Oh, yes. These are going to be the sound effects for my nothings. Okay, so here's going to be the pistol sound effect. Or this. Okay, and for my assault rifles, hold on, let me see what that is. My AR-15 will sound like this. What is this? The M16. Not that. This. And my M4A1 will be sounding like this. No, that's going to be whenever it's suppressed. It's really going to sound like this. Dang it. Either that or this. That's what it's mostly going to sound like. Or it's going to sound like this whenever I'm far away. And then whenever I'm up close and I'm doing a stealth part, it's going to sound like this. And then with my sniper rifle, everybody, you gotta be quiet. And then whenever I use my... Actually, I better go get my gun. Oh man, I gotta pee. I gotta hurry. Oh, my handguns. Back. My submachine guns. There we go. Oh, which one? Right. This is what my submachine gun's gonna sound like. And then this. And also that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you in the next video. Peace!